Hey everyone, welcome back to the simplistic analysis. So, in this part one of the lecture series on the Indian Constitution, we are studying the historical underpinnings portion of the topic. Uh, I have divided this topic of historical evolution under various themes. There are total nine themes we will study, which are very crucial with regards to the exams. So in this, the first theme is the most important one is impact of Indian national movement on the making of Indian Constitution. Basically, in this, the 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 overall impact of Indian national movement uh, and their uh, their aspirations, their focus on state building, and how that affected the framers and constituent assembly in the making process, which we will going to study. So the second is the impact of colonialism on the shaping of Indian state. Under this theme, we will basically look at how the colonial political structure and colonial legislations, be it legal legislation, be it political, be it social, be it religious reforms, how all these affected the overall shaping of Indian political system, pre-independence and post-independent also. The third theme under the historical underpinnings is the origins of Indian political system in British India. This is also related, somewhat related with the theme two, which is impact of colonialism on the shaping of Indian state. But it is the theme three, which that will specifically look at the political system, and the theme two is the it has the comprehensive outlook on the impact. So the fourth theme is the evolution of representative government from 1909 to 1935 acts. Here we will look at the evolution of responsible government, uh, which was a central demand of Indian National Congress and Indian National Movement, right from the Bengal partition the to the uh, 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 civil disobedience movement. Uh, so how these legislations, Government of India Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935, how all these acts uh, uh, was responsible in the evolution of representative government, which then culminated in the 1947 Constituent Assembly's formation. So the the fifth theme under this historical underpinning is the nature and impact of Constituent Assembly on the making of Indian Constitution. In this, the main focus of ours will be on the composition, the processes, the ideological influences on the Constituent Assembly, which makes it nature, and its impact on the making of Indian Constitution. The next is the challenges faced by Constituent Assembly in the framing of Constitution. We know that there were lots of hurdles that were faced by the Assembly in the framing. Uh, right, starting from the ideological contestations inside the Assembly, outside the Assembly also, with regards to petition and riots. So all these challenges were there before the Constituent Assembly. We will study that also in our critical manner. The next is the it is an issue which is a very critical one, and also very interesting. that is hard-headed pragmatism or abstract governmental theories. Which of these two guided the framers? Here we will look at the situations that were prevalent during the framing, uh, and we will analyze whether those situations and how, in what manner those situations affected the framers. The next one is external and internal influences in the framing. Basically, here we will classify the external influences, which were the uh, constitutions of various countries like US, France, Russia, UK, Japan, Australia, Canada, Ireland, etc. So we will look at the influences from outside as well as from the inside, right? For example, the Government of India Act 1935, which mirrors somewhat most of the articles that is in our constitution, and also the provisions. Lastly, the ninth theme, it will be the post-independent evolution.